Well, what could be better? It's two-stroke day. And whenever his turn comes in a pitching rotation, we know we're going to have a great day. The weather may not be so good, predicting rain, but the last 2 or 3 days they predicted rain and we didn't get anything. So today, it'll probably be sunny until we get as far from home as possible, and then it'll pour. But either way, we'll take it. And there is truly only one thing better than having one antique Yamaha, and that is having two of them. Both historically registered, both restored to, well, the standard I'm happy with, and both really good daily drivers. A ton of fun to ride. So right with the stuff we prep up for the day, we don't forget the two-stroke oil. Never forget the two-stroke oil. I was looking through the drawer the other day where I keep all my sketches and things, and I had made so many sketches of these bikes over the years, and I thought I'd show the one I made for this original, for the RD, the original one, and I couldn't find it, but even without that, it came out pretty good. And it just couldn't be more fun to ride these guys. They are so nimble and so much fun going through the gears. If you've never had one, you're really missing one of the thrills of motorcycling. And before we actually go, it's time to water the zinnias. Water the flowers. Hey, it just couldn't be any better. And we're back home, and you couldn't make this up if you wanted to. We started out the day, it was bright and sunny. It got really cloudy. It rained for about 5 minutes. Some of the places we went, the roads were wet. The sky is getting really gloomy now, and we got a couple of drops of rain on the way home, but we get home and it's a nice day. We should have stayed out another hour. Actually, I really wish I could, but big treat tonight. Tonight is pepperoni pizza night with Grandpa. Now we got to get cleaned up and go get Miles. So hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And enjoy that pepperoni pizza. So this is what you do while you're waiting for your pepperoni pizza, Miles?
Yes. Yes.
Delicious pepperoni. Is that delicious pepperoni? Delicious pepperoni. And that sky definitely is telling me tomorrow will be another great riding day. What a great time of year.